China's new transport revolution leaves America playing catch-up. The future of mobility, China's technological revolution. You'll discover how a $50,000 SUV can literally float above floodwaters, why China is leaving the rest of the world in the dust when it comes to transportation innovation. But more than that, you'll see how this revolution is reshaping the global financial landscape, potentially obliterating established players like Tesla. Stick around, because what you're about to see will blow your mind. Exponential expansion. Forget everything you thought you knew about SUVs. The Yangwang U8 isn't just changing the game, it's creating an entirely new one. Imagine being stuck in a flood, and instead of panicking, you simply activate float mode. That's not science fiction, that's happening right now, and it's happening at a price point that's making Tesla sweat. The Yangwang U8 is priced at 1.98 million yuan, approximately 15,255 USD. In just 3 months after its launch, it sold 3,653 units. To put that into perspective, that's about half the number of Model X SUVs that Tesla sold globally in the same period. And remember, this is just one model from one Chinese brand. There's one feature of the Yangwang U8 that's so evolutionary, it's hard to believe. But before we get to that, let's talk about why this matters for the future of transportation and the future of the global economy. Now, you might be thinking this is all well and good for China, but what does it mean for the rest of the world? Well, buckle up, because what I'm about to tell you will change everything you thought you knew about global automotive competition. Now let's talk about the implications of this technology, not just for drivers, but for investors. The U8's floating capability isn't just a cool feature, it's a response to a real-world problem. As climate change leads to more frequent and severe flooding in many parts of the world, vehicles that can navigate flooded streets become increasingly valuable. It's not hard to imagine emergency services or rescue operations utilizing this technology in the future. And for investors, this represents a whole new market segment with massive growth potential. Moreover, the U8's extended range and powerful performance show that electric vehicles don't have to compromise on capability. This could be a game changer in markets where consumers have been hesitant to adopt EVs due to concerns about range or performance. And it's putting serious pressure on Western automakers like Tesla. While Tesla has been the darling of Wall Street for years, its position is looking increasingly precarious. In 2022, BYD sold 1.86 million EVs compared to Tesla's 1.3 million, and BYD's growth rate is significantly higher. If this trend continues, Tesla could find itself playing catch-up in a market it once dominated. But China's innovations don't stop there. Thank you everyone for watching. If you like this video, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.